Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create easily these caricature pictures in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. And now, let's get started. So I just add a new page, go into the apps, and just searching for this caricature maker. Open it, and as you can see, this is also working with credits. I have 3 credits left today, and every day we have 4 credits, so we can create 4 different pictures every day for free. But of course, we can also get more credit if we are paying for it. We can ask for some examples. I just create this, and now the AI is generating our caricature. As you can see here, there is a small watermark, but we can easily get rid of it just resizing the picture, and already the watermark is outside of the picture. So that's very easy. Or we can add also here any object to hiding it. So that's not a difficult thing to do it. Okay, this is the second. And we can ask for oh, sounds weird. Red nose reindeer and an oil painting. I would like to see what the AI generated for us. So we will see soon when the AI creating this picture for us. We're almost there. So just let's wait a few more seconds and we will have it. That's very cool. And as you can see in the top, the app is already uploaded these pictures automatically to our uploads. So generating a one last caricature what I can generate. I would like to see this example is good. You can see how to build the prompt. It's very easy, very simple, but if we can do it a bit more sophisticated, maybe the outcome will be even better. So this is the last one for today for me. So as you can see, this is also funny. This is also very good. And this was also. And here, for example, if you're doing this, it's not so good. But, and you can see also here some watermarks. We can do some adjustments, like just adding an element, adding this. Or let's try something else first. What if I removing the background? Just would like to see. Yes. So the background was removed, and now I can insert any background what I want, and the watermark was also removed. This idea just pops up in my mind, so that's also working very nicely. So this is another way how can we get rid of this watermark. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. Hope so you like it. and please follow me for more, and see you in the next tutorial. Ciao.